Tired of boring hoodie mockups? Let me change that. This is a high-quality, realistic hoodie mockup template that's super easy to use. All you have to do is drag, drop, and replace the logo with yours. No complex editing needed. The fabric texture looks clean and professional, making it perfect for showcasing your brand, merchandise, or portfolio. And the best part, it's completely free. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and grab the template from my Telegram. The link is in the description. More free stuff coming your way soon.